Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Gayana. In this video, strengthening in the arms. These all are exercise which I am going to show you help your wrist and the shoulders. These are suit for everyone, simple, comfortable and safe. Without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1, come to table pose. Slowly movement forward and back. Forward and back. Make sure always keep your fingers wide open. Feel the stretch on your shoulders by putting your body weight completely on your shoulders. Repeat about few times. Number 2. Same way, come to table pose. Now this time fingertips should be pointing towards the knee. Move forward and backward. Feel the stretch around the wrist. Move back as much as possible. Now slowly release, slowly back to seated position and shake your hands. Number 3. Stand in downward facing dog. Slowly come to table pose. When you are in this pose, knees should be off the mat. Stay here for 5 seconds. Now go back to Adho Mukha. Same way, repeat about 3 to 5 times. Number 4. Come to downward facing dog. Slowly come to the plank pose. Downward facing dog and plank pose. Same way, repeat about few times. Now lastly, hold in plank pose for 5 seconds. Now slowly release and relax. Number 5. Come to plank pose. Now try to lift your one leg up. Stay here. And down. Slowly other leg up. Now slowly down. Same way, repeat about few times. You can do it 2 or 3 set of 3 times repetition. When you are doing this, make sure your body should be in a straight line. Don't raise your hip up or complete hip down. Try to maintain your back complete straight. Now slowly relax. Number 6. Sit on the floor. Bend your legs. Fingertips facing your side. Legs apart. Lift your hip up, come to the reverse table. Now slowly come back by straighten up your knees back. Buttocks off the floor. Now slowly up and down. Up and down. Repeat above few times. Slowly release and relax. That's it for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you on next video. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and namaste.